Hi, my name is Ali Iqbal and I'm going to present our construction management plan on Granville Apartments. I am a part of Peak Engineering Services. This is a team of 5 members. The picture on the right side shows our proposed site. This includes the removal of the removal of the old building and the construction of five-story residential building on the same removed site. This is a site in Pegler Avenue in the South Granville in Sydney. Our project consists of detailed design, engineering, and procurement and supply chain management. Furthermore, it includes the construction of the site and finally handing over the site to the owner. Uh, we have included all the factors, including the risk management, scheduling, and costing of the project. My team member would explain the next processes in path.
Hi, I'm Mohammed Hassan. I will be explaining the risk management plan for our project Granville Apartments. So, what is risk? Risk is the likelihood that an actual outcome of a planned event may deviate from the expected outcome. So, the approach involved is we prioritize and analyze the risk beforehand depending on its impact on our plan. So, we identify risk based on probability and severity using the risk matrix, and then we develop a mitigation plan so that we can optimize the achievement of our goals and decrease the probability and impact of that unfavorable event on our project. For instance, one of the major risks involved is unsatisfactory project estimated overall cost. That overall cost may exceed our planned cost. So for that, we can delay the non-critical task so that it doesn't affect our completion date. Also, we have added a contingency plan for extra days for some specified events. Similarly, if there are construction mistakes, we are not going to end on our deal. So for that, we will be having a regular supervision and checking. And for instance, if there is a change in a scope during the project, for that we will be having a fortnightly meetings with our all the stakeholders, and we will plan our next events accordingly. Now, my friend Ubaid will explain the scheduling and the costing of the project.
Hi, I am Ubaidur Rahman and today I am explaining the scheduling and costing part of Granville Apartments. So about scheduling assumptions that we have made, like the change orders and then holidays, Christmas holidays that will come in this summer because the project is starting from now on. So that's why we have employed the Christmas holidays. And then about the risk identification of scheduling, we have identified different risks like supply chain problems or that can be weather problems. So we have employed that one too because we wanted to optimize our project goals and so our project can be completed in time. About Gantt chart, we have made Gantt chart on Microsoft project, and then we have attached it in our construction management plan so that you can see to track our construction phase and every phase from start to the end. And then we have made the work breakdown structure that I can show you here. So you can see there are four different timelines, including design phase, and then there will come the demolition phase, and then construction phase, and then handover phase. So now you can see every task has been assigned with different subtasks, and this has been carefully considered, including the contingency period. And we have developed a baseline first. You can see the baseline, and then we have assigned the contingency period to every subtask that can every critical task that can take some time. So we have assigned the contingency period to it. So about costing, so the total cost of the project comes to be 1 million. So it's nearly 1.3 million, including it doesn't include the cost of the subcontractor that will be sublet to the subcontractors. Different subcontractors, most probably the whole construction period of this project will be handed to the another subcontractor that has not been added, and the markup cost is 10%, and then profit margin comes to be 9.1%.
So I am starting from WHS and environmental considerations. WHS means work health and safety, which is very important in every construction site. The key point of WHS considerations are following: risk assessment, safe work method, statement, training and competency means there should be given proper training to employees. PPE, it include safety shoes, helmet, gloves, these type of things. emergency response in case of any emergency like first aid. There should be proper firefighting system, noise and quality. Environmental considerations are following: environmental impact assessment, waste management, erosion and sediment control, stormwater management, energy efficiency, emergency response, same as above, noise and air quality. Yeah, site management. Site management plan is one of the important steps. It includes introduction, site information like location of the site, dimension of the site, demolition phase include description of the site, construction phase include building of the new building, health and safety is very important. Traffic management is also very important before the start of construction.
Hello, it's Amish Shafiq, and today I'm going to discuss monitoring and control and handover and commissioning. First of all, in this project, I have discussed monitoring and quality control assessment criteria, quality control and assurance, monitoring and control plan, and schedule control. And these are the procedures which are involved in monitoring and control, like audits, ITP, weekly safety and environment checklists, CMP updates, daily site work, CMP updates, daily site walks, monthly site statistics reporting, and fortnightly client meetings and monthly client audits. Next, we have next we are continuing the same monitoring and control procedures like sampling and testing on site, environmental consultant visits, toolbox talks, and managing non-conformance. Next, we have discussed quality control and assurance, like how we can control the quality of the project, of the site, of the materials we have used on site, like and its assurance. These are the measures which are involved in quality control insurance, like quality checks, steel work, concrete finishing, compliance, and safety. Now it's done for schedule control. We have discussed project schedule development, progress tracking, schedule analysis, change management, resource management, risk management, and performance metrics, issue resolution, and continuous improvement. Next, I have gone through the handover and commissioning. And in handover commissioning, we have involved in pre-handover preparation, commissioning process, handover process, post-handover responsibilities, and what are post-commissioning monitoring, handover ceremony, ongoing maintenance, and management. Now, what are the steps involved in pre-handover preparation, like documentation review, final inspection, safety checks, quality assurance, stability, compliance. And in commissioning process, the system testing, functional testing, efficiency, energy, indoor and outdoor quality, and training. And in handover process, certificates and approvals, utility setups, deficiency resolution, and final walkthrough. Post handover responsibilities includes property management, warranty documentation, final review, post commissioning monitoring, and then handover ceremony. That's all for today. Thank you.